Simple walkthrough on how to remove a SORN from any car in the UK using online tools and a quick tax update. Before unsorning a car, the first step is checking its current status, tax, MOT, and basic details. A history report gives you everything in one place. Start by reviewing the vehicle summary. Make sure the information matches the car you're dealing with so you're looking at the right record. This is the key part. If the vehicle is marked as SORN, it legally cannot be driven or parked on public roads until the status is removed. To unsorn a car, it must be roadworthy, so check the MOT expiry. If it's expired, book an MOT beforehand. You can't tax a car without a valid MOT. Here's what most people get wrong. You don't manually remove SORN. Taxing the vehicle automatically ends it. Just follow the DVLA's tax page here. You'll choose either the code from your V11 reminder or your V5C logbook. Enter the details, pay the tax, and that's all you need to reactivate the car. And don't forget insurance. Your policy must be active on the day the car goes back on the road. Tax alone isn't enough. Once your tax payment is confirmed, the SORN ends instantly. No extra forms, no calls to DVLA. Taxing the car handles everything. And that's how you unsorn a car. Simple, quick, and mostly done online. Always check the status first, sort MOT and insurance, and then tax the vehicle.